Today we're working on this Dodge customer brought in that was having some problems with the truck spooling, and we pulled codes on it and all the codes were leading towards a turbo failure. We pulled the old turbo out yesterday and we're dropping in this new AGP drop-in today. Let's get to it, guys. Man down. Oh, nice. And there's no O-ring on it. Motherfucker. Just right. Put bolts in holes. Tighten down. Doesn't move. Ow. Hit head. Might hurt. Now that we're all wrapped up with this turbo job for this customer, we'll get it cleaned up and get it back to him. And if you enjoyed following along, be sure to like and subscribe.